617 gives us a sequence right here, and it's asking us what kind of a sequence it is. So first I would try to see if adding works, right? So I would add 20 here, and then quickly I would realize that 25 plus 20 is not 125, right? So now we can try multiplying, right? Times 5, and then times 5 again, and then times 5 again. So when we're multiplying by a constant, what kind of sequence is it for part A? We would say it is a geometric sequence, right? Geometric sequence. Then it says find the fifth term, right? Find the fifth term. So to do this, right, I'll do B down here. We want to find the actual equation of the sequence. So the equation is written in the form T of n, right, equals a b to the n, right, where a is the 0th term and b is the multiplier. So we don't have the 0th term, but we can easily calculate it. We go backwards, right, and we divide by 5, right, because we multiplied to go the other way. So the 0th term is 1, right? So now I can write the equation, right? I can say T of n equals a, which is 1, the 0th term, times b, which is the multiplier, which is 5, to the n, right? And if we try it, right, if we put 1 in for n, we get 5. If we put 2 in, we get 25. So, right, this was the first term, the second term, the third term, right? So this works, and I would simplify this, right? T of n equals 5 to the n, right? Okay, so it says find the fifth term, right? So T of 5 equals 5 to the fifth power, right? And 5 to the fifth power is T of 5. 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, right? Which is 3,125, right? Okay. And then it says write an explicit equation for the general term a of n, right? So they want to use a of n instead of t of n. So we could write it, we already have the equation here, right? So we could write it as, for C, as a sub n equals, and this is the simplified form right here, 5 to the n. Again, we use, in class, most of the time, we use T of n notation, right? So I would actually ask for it in this form, but they wanted it in a general term A of n, so it would be written as that.